What's up? How you guys doing? Guys, I've been trying to vlog since morning, but I don't know what's wrong with my phone. It has refused to record. I'll click on record button, it will not record, but I don't know. I just tried now and it works. But anyways, we are at my sister's village. We are traveling to my village, but you know, my sister and I are married to, we both married Anambra people, so we passed her village before getting to my own village. So we just decided to stop and, you know, just see her, spend time with her, and then we continue our own journey. See, I just wish that we've reached, this is my village, because I'm tired. I hate road trip. I know a lot of people say they enjoy it. I don't enjoy it. I don't like it. This is 3 days since I've been in the village, and it is just now that my phone has decided to record again. I don't even want it to like vex me. I'm just living in the moment and enjoying myself. I can't even record memories. I can only take pictures on Snapchat, but my main phone camera is not just working. But anyways, thank God it has picked up. Hopefully I'll be able to catch up and just keep vlogging. Today is the 2nd of January. Yesterday was New Year and it was nice. We went to church. I cooked, but I mean, I already knew that was what I'll be up to when I get back here. Thankfully I have help that just helping me, you know, do stuff. But I do the major cooking myself. Ignore my voice, it's not been so long. I woke up. Thankfully the weather down here is not so hot, and in the night you get breeze. I had to even turn off the fan at some point because the weather was actually chilly, but there's no harmattan, but it's not hot, you get. But yeah, I'm just chilling here. I have water on fire. I want to have my bath. I've given the boys the bath. I want to have mine, so we know that we've officially begun the day before I will think of what to cook for today. But the kids are having tea this morning. They are at it right now, but it's still early for me to eat, so I'm just gonna chill here. Once my water is ready, have my bath, and yeah, I don't think there's any other thing. Every other thing was just happening, you know, village now. Well, yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Hopefully my guys, I had my bath. I want to go and look for it. I cut my hand yesterday. I don't know if you guys can see it. I was trying to open this green peas, the tin one. I just cut right through. But I've been using hot water on it and it's really better now. I can even touch it before it was swollen. Hot water really helps. It's not this thing, it's gel. Hot water really helps when you have injury. Like, the difference is huge. Anyways, let me go look for what to eat. I don't know if I should eat leftover rice from yesterday, or I should just drink golden milk. I'm trying not to take cereal in this video, but let's see how it goes. Gosh. Where is Kaito? Oh my baby. Whose key is that? Kaito. Whose key is that? This is my food. I decided to have leftover. Ignore the salad. The salad is looking weird. It's like coleslaw. I won't call it coleslaw because there is baked beans and there is sweet corn, but there's no carrot. The carrot we cut spoiled. But yeah, I just have rice, chicken, and salad. The salad is a lot. The rice is not that big, but it's looking big from this camera. But anyways, no weight loss till already in 2026. But yeah, anyways, till further notice. I have started reaping the fruit of being a mommy. Christmas money for my kids, and they gave it to me, and they came and they gave it to their mommy. Even though Kite is crying because I collected his own, but Neto willingly gave me his. Okay, he has stopped. Is he still crying? Okay, he took your own money. Collect it from him, so you'll not be. Let me get knife from. Collect it from him. Dad, give her the knife. Look at this boy. is he crying because of money, one? Don't give it to him, I beg. He'll put his hand in his mouth. Kaito Chuku. Inside my pocket, man. To give it before we put it inside. So. Hey guys, good morning. We just woke up. I just brushed their teeth right now, and we're about to go downstairs so we can go and see every other person and begin the day. Well, yeah, I just got information now said that because they're supposed to eat, but they just told me now that the gas is faulty, so they are going to have it fixed. And the water that I put in the flask that's supposed to be hot is no longer hot. I don't know if my flask is now bad. It doesn't return water again. And I bought this water in the night, hoping that this morning I'll just brush their teeth, give them cereal here before they go downstairs. Because once they go downstairs, it's play, like play. Even Kai has been shouting ball. Since I hit the ball in the night so that they can sleep. So I wanted them to take cereals before going down, but unfortunately no water and no gas. So they're going to fix the gas, and then when they come back, breakfast will be made. But anyways, I just thought to talk to you guys and say good morning, everybody. But yeah, we'll see you guys. Guys, I was just complaining to you guys now that this my flask doesn't retain heat anymore. It doesn't return hotness, so they fixed the gas and they boiled water and put it in a different flask for me to now make food for the boys. They just pushed the flask and it broke, and it's this. Let me show you guys. So this is it broke. I had to quickly carry it into the bathroom so that it doesn't pour hot water on them. Like, what a waste. So now I have to carry them downstairs to go and boil under water and give them water directly from the kettle. Now they've rendered this flask useless. Now I have two useless flasks. Well, the other one, the stainless one, is mine. I came with it from Abia. This other one is the one that is in the village here. So, children, you know how much flask costs right now? Yes. No, don't remove it. Look at the culprits. Ignore my bed. They are the ones that scattered it. See the culprits here. Afternoon, guys. I didn't talk to you guys while I was leaving because we are kind of in a hurry. Not like we are in a hurry, but every other person in the house was ready. I didn't want to keep people waiting, so I just hurried out and we've gone for the occasion. So my co-wife is how do you say this thing now? They are chilling her ichichi, right? So they are giving like an induction ceremony. I think that's the word. An induction ceremony for her. And this is their shabby clothes, and I've gone there. I've stayed a while. I've stayed and I'm tired. I just came back with Neto. Kaito is still there with his other cousins and stuff. They're upstairs. They're in a room, they are actually safe and secure. They are eating and drinking, and I'm actually tired. I just want to come back home. It's just the next compound. It's like walkable. So we just all walked down. Let me show you guys. So this is the compound. that place, that ash building and the white building, they're together. That's where the activity held. So we just walked down there. I just came back with Nato. Yeah, let me go inside. I think I'll end the vlog here. I don't even know if I vlogged anything there, so, but I just got tired, and yeah, let me try and show you guys my full fit. I don't know how I don't even know if this thing is recording, but yeah, walking down to the house. The church is not far from our house, but church has not dismissed, so I think they are doing luncheon, so the kids have started disturbing. Let's go home so they can eat, but I'll see you later. Hey guys, the girl is just here chilling with her handbag. Nato is always going to stay wherever I am. If I enter inside bathroom, Nato is gonna go with me. Enter inside kitchen, Nato is always with me. Anywhere I'm going, even when we go for a vacation, Nato is always with me. Kaito is with his cousins. He likes to socialize, he likes to play. Nato likes to play, but he just wants me around. So we are upstairs right now. The weather is hot, the sun is out, so they can't play ball. So we are just upstairs. Let me show you guys. We are just here. We are downstairs anyways. Like this side where there is no sun. So I just started to come out here. Here you can get breeze, you know. But anyways, this is me, and we are about to try this biscuit. I've not eaten this biscuit. I'm going to try it for the first time. It's been everywhere. And yeah, with the way people hype it, I hope I don't eat it and then get addicted. Like, I love it so much that I want more of it because of, you know, sugar and stuff. But yeah, let's have a test. I don't know. I didn't come back from my tripod. I don't know who will hold the camera for me while I test it, but let me just open it up and see how it is. And yeah, so I've tried it and it's nice, but thankfully it's not something that I would crave for. It's just something that if I see, I'll eat it, but it's not it for me. Thankfully, because right now I really don't want to be addicted to anything that has sugar. Just like something that has baby, like as though it's malted, but I've checked through the ingredients, I can't find it. I don't know, but I feel like it has a lot of brown sugar in it. I think Nato likes it because he has been taking and taking. Take one now. Take one, I took two. I think he likes it, but thankfully it's not something that I would see and rush to buy. But yeah, thank God. Good afternoon. I am dressed up because I don't know where we are going to, but they said I should start dress up. We are going out. I really don't know where we are going out, but I was told not to wear like white trousers. I should try and wear maybe something traditional or something. But yeah, let me show you guys what I look like. Anyways, help me record. I decided to wear flat slippers because I need to be comfortable. I don't know where I went, and then my clothes was carried. No, you slapped me like